We got a car!
Yay! A red one?
Yeah, Dick said we have a little Ferrari. I mean, not even close, but it'll do for our little mini road trip. This is called Cathedral Rocks because it looks like a cathedral, funnily enough. How beautiful is this? Oh, I want to take a dip. But the waves look really strong, so maybe not. There are a couple of surfers out here. Would you be more interested in a red or white?
I think a white wine. So we decided to do a little wine tasting here.
Yeah, we're gonna try this one. I see the first four.
Focus, here we go.
The first four. Not so keen on this one. Then these two. Not so keen on that one. And then this one, which is that one.
I'm quite interested in this one, 2017 Sienna, with a hint of vanilla.
And spice.
Balanced, it's not carrying any sweetness or bitterness that you might find in something like a New Zealand style Sauvignon Blanc.
Okay.
But some lovely tropical fruit flavours, pineapple, passion fruit. There's a very balanced and herbaceous. This is our blend. It is Shiraz and Cabernet Sauvignon. We use fruit from west of the state, a place called Hilltops. The fruit is more of a cool climate red. It doesn't develop, we don't let it develop high sugars. We pick a little bit early, so we get about 13.5% in our alcohol level, which just makes it a little bit softer. An element of that juicy fruit can really come through. So red berries, just 6 months in barrel. So French and American oak, and then we bottle at the end of the year for the Sienna.
So which one is the favorite so far?
I'm still with the white wine, the Verdelho. Verdelho. I don't know how you pronounce it.
Yeah.
I'm also getting quite tipsy because I'm actually drinking everything because I'm not driving.
What have you found?
Found wine. I'm slightly tipsy. That was a lot of wine tasting.
That was nice.
Yeah. This is a really nice wine. It's a Shiraz 2016 from Tea Figs in Australia.
Hang on. Still.
We spotted a kangaroo on the side of the road. Well, not on the side of the road, it's really far away, but I've been watching out for kangaroos, and they're kangaroos. Found one. We're waiting for it to jump.
This is exciting.
What's he gonna do? Back up. So they're basically like deers here.
Yeah.
Just on fields. Because I thought earlier I saw some, but then I thought, was it? Oh my god.
That's so funny.
That's a flipping kangaroo. This is like the best thing that's happened yet.
There are more up there because it keeps looking up the hill.
You think? Oh yeah. Are they like herd animals? I don't know anything about them other than the. Oh. Where are you going, fella? Oh no. Oh, he's all by himself now.
We're in a village called Tilba, a National Trust village here on the east coast. It's incredibly cute, very picturesque. Famous for cheese making. That became the village primary source of income after gold mining, if I understand it right, in the 1800s.
Yeah, 800 a month.
Nice.
That's 400 pounds.
Yeah. Which one did you like?
I tried the hazelnut butter spread. That was nice, but a bit sweet. Oh, beetroot relish.
Which one are you going for?
Probably this one, but I want to see if I find a really small piece of the garlic one. Oh, here. It's 4.80. Basically going through everything, see.
You're gonna find 2 small pieces instead of 1 big?
Yeah. Currently on Raymond Island on a koala trail, and we found one. He's really fat. Are they supposed to be this big?
Yeah.
Oh, we're nodding off there. Look at those fingers, or like those claws. Where are we going? Where are we going, buddy? Where to? We found one that's really awake. And really low down as well. Hi, buddy. Hello. Hi! Found another one. Right, let's play a game of Find the Koala. And here it is. 10 points to you.
You're really far down.
You are really far down. But there are some tourists over there that are a bit annoying, so you might want to climb up. Quick. Go, 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 go. Oh, are you smiling? That was a little smirk. A grumpy little smirk. You all look really grumpy. Melbourne is treating us today. Yesterday was grey, and today you can see all the way to some mountains.
So where are we going?
To Ian Potter Gallery.
To Ian Potter Gallery. It's glorious weather today.
Could be a bit warmer.
Yeah, it's chilly 24 degrees today. And we can see our flat. We should be on this side where we are. It's a total of 27.
I think it's a total of 27.
6, 5.
And we left the window open as well. Although I can't.
I think
We only
like,
left one window open, which is the...
yeah, this one. I have it zoomed in now.
I actually think we're on that side. Sorry. I actually think we're on that side because we can see the rooftop from there.
Yeah, so this is why we are on this side here. We're looking this way. This is our wall on the side.
What do you mean wall?
Cause
okay, I think we're not talking the same thing. I'm talking windows, so we're clearly not the one with the balcony. And I was thinking we're the right side, not on the left side.
we're on the left side.
So you think we're on the left side?
I'm pretty sure we're on the left side.
I think we're on the right side. I think we're right there where that window is open. Because that would make sense. That's 21, 22, 23, 24, 25,
No,
6,
it doesn't.
7, 8. Oh, 8. Does it mean there's 28 floors? I need to check.
So it's either this one or that one. We're not sure.
I'm not sure which one you're pointing at. I think it's that one.
Anyway. The Ian Potter Museum obviously closed. It's a Monday, so we are headed to the National Gallery.
Right, now I think it needs a bit more explanation.
So this is the Formula 1 track, the Albert Park Formula 1 track. Iconic Formula 1 track, okay? They come down here. I think we're past turn 11 or 12 here at this point. Full speed, sharp right-hander. Before they go down, sweeping turns down to the chicane. And then another sweeping straight into the fastest turns of the track down there. So, but we're gonna walk the opposite direction here for a bit. So excited. Alright, so we're looking down. We're soon getting down to turn 3. We have turn 3, the infamous sharp turn 3 down there somewhere. They break down from 300 kilometers an hour, take the turn in about 90 or 100 kilometers an hour. They come up here to turn number 4, down here, where this big Formula 1 car is currently approaching. So turn 4, and then they approach straight towards us here. Up to turn 6, where they turn right, and straight down, where you saw me in action just a moment ago. So this is actually not turn 11 and 12. I had the count completely wrong earlier. This is like 3, 4, 5, 6, something like that. So here's the long straight leading down to this infamous corner 3. And let's watch out for the cars. They go the wrong way! And then into basically the parking lot there, turn 4, 5, 6. So here's the start-finish straight. They come down here and into corner number 1 and corner number 2. It's pretty epic to be here to see this. And here's my own pit babe. Sorry. So here's now the paddock area. See Melbourne here. And you've got the podium up here. and then the pit exit down onto the start finish straight there. Here's the pit box. There's a table tennis club here where Max Verstappen used to have his car. There you go. Daniel Kvyat, Red Bull Racing. So here's the St. Kilda beach that we're coming onto.